Alright, today in this video I'm going to be installing this chrome bumper on the front side of the Chevy Colorado. So here is the old one, which is gray, and it's got a bunch of painted or chips in the paint. But the main reason is because I've been turning a lot of parts on this truck chrome, so I might as well complete it all and make the bumper chrome. So as you can tell, this came with two brackets. There was a lot of other ones on eBay that didn't come with brackets, and I chose the one with brackets. So for this, we're gonna have to remove the grille and the headlights, the blinker lights, and all that stuff. All right, so everything's been removed at this point, and the main screws or bolts on the bumper are gonna be 1 and 2 right here, and then you got 1 and 2 right there. We have one curled up in here, and then we have this one right here as well on the opposite side. I went ahead and removed the fog lights as well, just for this, so this is a little easier. I just have them dangling right now. This bracket right here is still holding onto the bottom portion, so it's gonna apply for the other side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see if this thing loosens up on me so I can take it out. Also, before you remove the bumper, make sure to put a couple of these screws back just so the whole thing doesn't fall on you. That's not what happened. I just thought in the middle of taking it off that I do that, so it's more safe. The trickiest part was removing this from the bumper itself. So these tabs right here, so what I did is I just hit it in the back with a hammer, or you can use a mallet as well. And you could also pinch these with pliers, which kind of helped on the first one to make it thinner so it comes out of the hole. And for the other ones, these rivets right here, you're gonna need a tool like this. This really came in handy. It took me like 2 or 3 minutes to remove all those. And it's also easier if you do it off of the vehicle. All right guys, so I got my bumper on there, and it was a little challenging because I was having a mental issue on this gap right here. I thought that this gap is a little bigger than it's supposed to be, and maybe it is, but it's probably just in my head, to be honest. And the biggest reason why I think that is because if you look at the side here on, I'm not sure what these are called, fenders, I believe. If you look at the side, that gap just looks kind of big, but I've just accepted it at this point. It's not that big a deal. Really happy how this turned out. And yeah, just know that it is a process. So there's a lot of screws that you need to remove, but it's definitely worthwhile if you're looking into getting a chrome bumper. It looks really good. And also, I know that they sell this piece as well, which is the piece that I had painted black with the logo as well. So I'm thinking, I guess I'm gonna keep that logo black, but I'm probably gonna end up ordering this piece in chrome because I feel like it would look good. And I saw somebody on the road on 249 with a chrome piece right here that had the same sort of Chevy truck, and it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and tuning in. Feel free to check out my SoundCloud, which is in the description below. And yeah, stay tuned for future videos. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date when I release videos. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.